What is up, guys? It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL. We're back again, and what I'm doing, it's a world first actually. It's a first for Raul TV, this, because maybe I did it about 15 years ago, 15 to 20 years ago. I did one of these, right? And about 15 years ago, yeah, something like that. I did it, okay? Mercedes 2002 Mercedes C-Class. I'm going to go ahead and replace the door mirror, okay? The driver side or passenger side wing mirror, that is. We're going to try to replace it. I forgot how to even change it. I forgot how to replace it. So, yeah. Let's take it as it comes. Let's go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is, I think we need to just take this panel off somehow. Take this bit off. Take this bit off, and that bit comes off. Hopefully, yeah, just like that. This is live here, mate. I'm doing this live, so that comes off. The tweeter's there, as you can see. Right, that's off. We'll go around this side, okay? We're gonna go around this side, and we're gonna push this all the way forward here, okay? Push that forward here, and there is a clip here. I'm pretty much sure there's a clip here. Okay, we move the clip, and this cover comes off. It's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me. Right, so the clip there, and then the cover comes off, and then we can gain access to them 3 screws there. As you can see there, look, bang. 1, 2, 3 screws, okay? I'll point out in there the 3 screws. Take them off, it should come straight off. All right, guys, sit rep. That's that clip here. That's what I was on about, okay? This clip here. All right, we'll push that with a screwdriver best you can, okay? So push it, and then that part comes like 95% all loose, right? So what we do now is, can you see this clip here on the mirror itself? Press that in like that, and then lift it up, and lift that over like that. That comes off. Boom. Happy days. Job getting done. Not job done, job getting done. So move this out of the way now, if you can. Right, I've took the wires off. Just flick them off the wing mirror itself, the door mirror itself. There, take them off. What I'm going to do now is, that should, bang, there you go, that comes straight off. What we're going to do, I mean, there is one little catch here, okay? There's one hard bit, the wiring loom, right? So 2 ways to do it. Either we chop the wires, rejoin the wires up, or we're going to do it the hard work, proper way, take the door card off. We'll get to that after. We'll get to that later. What we're going to do now is, as we can see, there's one screw there. I think it's a Torx 20. Take that one off. One on the bottom here. Take that one off. And there's another one right there. I don't know if you can make it out. But if you do this, you can see it there, yeah. Let's take them off, and we'll go from there. I mean, if you want to make your life even easier, okay, I think we should do this. The spring here, because we're going to replace that anyway. Let's take the spring off, okay? Take the spring off. Right, that way we can move it, no resistance at all. At the moment, that's giving us a bit of resistance. Take that off, right, no resistance, moves out of the way, we can get to the screws, no problem whatsoever. All right, so size Torx 20. Let's take them off. That one off here. We're going to take this one off here. And we're going to take this one off here. Take them 3 off, and we'll go from there. All right, so there we go. That's all off. It's freestyling. If you want to do it the cheating way, you cut the wires off here, get the new one, reconnect the wires wire for wire, and that should be okay. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it the proper way. All right, and yeah, let's take the door card off, or part of the door card off. Right, in order to take this door card off, I've just took this little piece off from here. Okay, that piece there, took that off. One Torx, I think 30 or 25 in there, another one in there. This SRS airbag thing here, take that off. There's another one in there, you can see there, Torx 30. Take them off, and then hopefully give it a little pull, that should come straight off. Alright, so we've took that one off, one in there off, and we took this little cover Torx 20 off from there. I gave it a pull, that's half off. What we need to do now is we're going to lift it up. Try to do this with one hand. Lift that side up, we'll go to this side and lift this side up. You get the picture. Now that it's all freestyling, as you can see, we're going to take that door card off and hopefully get to the wiring loom, which is about here somewhere, and take that off. Door mirror should come straight off. Right, door card is off. Pull that one back like that, and as you can see there's the wiring looms and everything. So all you have to do is go here. If you want to take this panel off, you can do. You don't need to, because all we do is just get this foam off, and that's the wiring loom coming down this way. We'll just find out it goes to this one here. All we do is that, take that off, little clip there, take that off. This one should come straight off. Okay, just took that clip off. What we're going to do now is we're going to just pull it out. That's all we're going to do. Go around to this side, and I mean, you can't really get it wrong. Goes through that hole there. No feeding or anything necessary. Just pull it out this way. Alright, a little bit of feeding, okay, just to get it through that there. And that's it. That comes straight out. Put the new one in. Happy days. Alright guys, there's the new one, second-hand new one that is. What I have to do, you have to take the cover off. Okay, to take the cover off you need 2 people. If you can do it by yourself, then I give it to you strong, right? So one of you just bend the cover, like as you're going to bend it, and all you have to do is just press that there. With the screwdriver, flat screwdriver from this side, press it there, and that comes straight off. The cover comes straight off. Now we can gain access to all the screw holes. There's one there, one even in there. If you want, you can even take the glass off and make your life even easier. So let's get them 2 on first, and then we'll tackle that last one. Alright, refitting it. I've got them 3 screws on. I'm just going to tighten them up exactly the same way we took it off. As you can see, I've took the mirror off. The spring is off from there, so we can move it all the way to the side. So all we do now is, I've got the 3 screws on. Let's tighten up on these. There's one. Get this one on here. You can see it there. That one's on. Put that one on here. Okay, them 3 are on, and all we do now is refit it in reverse order. Put this one back this way, put the spring from there to there, get the mirror on, get the cover on, plug on. Happy days, job done. Right, everything's on, mirror is back on. Just clip it on, and there's a little clip there, you can't really get it wrong. Them 2 wires are back on. The spring is back on. The way I got the spring on, it wasn't that tight. I mean, I'll be straight up honest with not that much tension on it. Some pliers or side cutters, and just forced it onto that. Job done. What we're going to do now is put the cover, there's this cover, slide it over like that, and you can't really mess it up, and there you go. On. Wiring plug. We're on. Make sure we put that little bit of insulation in there as well. I don't know what it does, but yeah, must do something. Right, so what we're gonna do now is, just before we put everything back together again, let's see if it works. Okay, so let's ignition on. Let's try the indicator. Oh my goodness, that is like, what are we talking about? The indicator's working. We'll turn it to press that one, and then all that's working. Job done. Let's put the door card back on, everything back on. Don't forget to put that on and everything, and that's it, done. Well, that's it guys, that's how we replace the door mirror on an old school Mercedes C-Class 2002-3 kind of thing. Not that hard. Once you get into it, it's pretty much simple. So all I'm going to say guys is, I hope this video helps you guys out. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button, and yeah, Raoul TV will see you guys soon.